Welcome to my channel SK. Please subscribe my channel if you are new and hit the like button. Hello viewers, this is SK. If you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and the bell icon. So I have ordered an Intex power bank from Flipkart. Universal charger. You can charge mobile phones, MP3 players, tablets, cameras. You can carry it with your luggage while traveling, and if you're going to office, you can carry it. Here are some specifications, contents and safety instructions given at the back side of the pack. You can get there the safety instructions. You can carry to use a power bank in a good way. So here is our power bank, a white color 20,000 mAh Intex power bank. Here is the USB cable. It's quite good and I think it will last long. Yeah, it is good. So here is our power bank. There is the user manual. So it is quite heavy and a decent look has been given to the power bank by Intex. There are two output, 5 volt 1 ampere, 5 volt 2.1 ampere, and one input with an LED flash. By 2 clicks we can on and off the LED flash of the power bank. It is a decent looking power bank for your luggage you carry. It will give you a decent look and user manual, how to charge your device, how to operate LED torch. You can get the specification and details. Now we don't need this, we are much advanced. So you can see the barcode for the decent looking power bank. It is quite good.